this video, I'm going to show you how to view and analyze responses in Google Forms. To get started, click the Responses tab located at the top of the form editor next to Questions and Settings. This section is where Google Forms collects and organizes all submitted responses. At the top of the page, you'll see the total number of responses your form has received. As responses start coming in, Google Forms will automatically generate charts, graphs, and summaries to help you understand your data. You can also review individual submission and explore detailed response information direct from section. If you'd like to work with your data in a spreadsheet, click Link to Sheets to automatically send responses to Google Sheets for further analysis. And that's it. Thanks for watching.